Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create white outlined text in CapCut. So this one is pretty easy. What you need to do is just add your text that you want. Then choose your favorite font. I'm going to use this one. And then go to style and lower the opacity to 0. Then go to stroke and choose white color, and now you can adjust the thickness into your liking like this, and you are done. You just need to click on the check icon. Then you can also add animations or change the style if you want. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.